तेणी ते साडेकार म्हणटा तेका दिली स्टडी थ्रू टेंडर. साडेकार गेलो विदीन 10 months बजर अपॉइंटेड साडेकार एज देयर ओन कंसल्टंट. ते सगळे बरोवया थंयसर वॉट एवर द फॅक्ट्स आर. So that report which Sadekar prepared might probably have been influenced by Bajar itself. So what we want is that Pollution Control Board should appoint NIRI to cover the whole area to study the impact of pollution in Saipe ward.
No, the most important is hazardous waste.
So let them cover this chemical waste, untreated effluents. सगळे किती हा ते.
Berger paints pollution is very high. People don't understand it.
No, sir.
It affects the lungs. Call and go.
You cannot stay in room, sir.
Strictures are passed on them.
Sir,
Under Section 5, Environment Protection Act. But what is the use? They are back again with the same thing. There is no solution.
सडेकाराक दिला आणि परत सडेकार त्याचं कन्सल्टंट.
Simon D'Souza, who was the chairman, ex-chairman, had passed the order. But what?
त्याचे पहिले उद्देश जोशी
Decision by Pilan Industrial Estate. They are, त्यांचा answer असतं ना, that we are following all norms, this, that, we are doing regular inspections.
सर आमका किने सांगले
No. Let Madam see in her own eyes. Let the Environment Minister see.
You had taken it up?
Yeah.
You had what, zeros?
It was not zero. It was a caution. Yes.
Who is coming now?
First build all your plants, whatever sewage treatment plant, everything. Okay, and once the pollution control board is satisfied, then start. No water should come in this drain. No water should come in this drain at all. Simple as that. If they are saying they are sending treated water, let them pump it out in the tankers and send it to that treatment plant in Panjim. Treated water, not untreated water. ते आमचं दोरियाचे नुसते वचून मत्तले होरत जालें.
But they don't have anything. No? They've said that they don't have anything. The government is supposed to give them a land or something to dump all their...
See, hazardous waste is something which Goa government, neither any of the industrial estate has got this to treat it. This hazardous waste has to
that's
be
what they
treated.
said.
Sometimes it is like thick,
So
like Berger paint.
So they said it is very costly
wastage
for
could
them
be
to
very
take it.
thick paint. Where they are going to dispose this?
But they said it
It's a question mark.
Why?
If you dispose it here, it will penetrate in the ground. It go through the rocks and it will go to the water table. So our water table will get polluted. Now this is the same thing.
Water table
What
is
they
already
are
polluted.
what they are throwing out is finally industrial waste. It is liquid in liquid
in
form.
liquid form, yeah.
So it goes to the pond. All the fish will die. Whatever whoever will drink that water, either cows or whatever, that will destroy the plant. Vegetation will destroy. It will go in the underground water table. Humans are consuming the water whenever there is no water supplied by the PWD. So it is finally waste. No? Waste is going in our body. We will suffer. The people from Saipe Kandulim, which was the most beautiful village once upon a time, they will suffer. Why they should suffer? Because of this industrial estate.
साप्या विलेजीक आमकां पोल्युशनाचो त्रास जाता बिकॉज इफ 2 फार्मास्युटिकल कंपनी आहा सो एक आहा संडू फार्मास्युटिकल लिमिटेड आनी सेकेंड आहा JKB सो हे तेंचे अनट्रिटेड वॉटर आहा न्ही ते रेन ड्रेनेज आसा न्ही तितून हे भितर सोडटा सारके आनी ते सारके सकयल्यान सारके ते ड्रेनेजीन सारके आमच्या विलेजींक साप्या विलेजींक पावता सारके ते ड्रेनेज सारकी एक तळ्यान गेल्ली आसा तळ्यांच्यान सारकी आमकां ग्रावंड वॉटरांक सो ही आमची उदक जे अनट्रिटेड यूज केल्ले आसता न्ही त्या भितर सगळे पावता सारके हांकां लागून एक काळे तरेचें उदक जाल्ल्या हितून म्हाजी गोरवां मेल्लीं आसा जनावरां मेल्ल्या आनी हे ताका लागून आनी ते सेम उदक मागीर तळ्यांच्यान मागीर सप्लाय जाता आमचें उदक पिवपाचें बांयक जाता आनी बांयो तेच जाल्लेलो आसा सगळ्यो काळें जाल्लेलो आसा सगळ्यो भितरल्यान सारकें आनी पिवपाक आमी शकंकच ना सारकें आतां आमकां फक्त आमी रावता PWDचें उदक आमकां मेळटा तितून उदक पिता पळय पूण आमचे स्वताची बांयो ज्यो आसा न्ही साप्या विलेज्यो सो आमी ताका लागून आमकां उदक पिवपाकूच मेळना कित्याक साप्या बांयोचे पिड्यार सगळे पिड्यार जाल्ले आहा कित्याक भिकोन लागून हे आमकां हे कंपनीक लागून सारकें
तुम्ही कितें मागता आणि कितें आता सध्या तुम्ही कितें पावलं उचलला
आतां आमी आमच्या लोकल MLA कॉन्टॅक्ट जालेले आहा सो तेणे सांगला की येवन आमकां हे आतां विजीट करतले म्हणून मिनिस्टर सेकेंडली आनी आतां मागता की आतां नेहरी जे संस्था आसा सो तेणी येवन आमचे हांगा पोल्युशन कितलें जाल्लेलें आहा आनी हे फॅक्टरीक लागून एक आमकां एक फाल्यां कोर्टाक वचपाक एक सारकें एक ठोस पुरावो जो आमकां नेहरीच्या कडल्यान मेळटलो ते आमी एक डिमांड केल्लेली आसा तेंचे कडेन सो फॅन्सी सर कांय ना सर भितर तेंचे
Secondly, we noticed, no,
कांय ना
sir,
सर
after going inside a factory, they're digging the hole, they're building the wall, but in between no concrete, just open.
Kind of
So water
open.
going inside the rock and
सर ते खडी आशिल्ले सर आदी
Even it has to close down totally, we don't mind. Not on the cost of our villages. If it has to close down, let it close down. It will not affect the economy. Because here, not even 5% are Goans who are employed. Not even 5%. So not at our cost.
एकय ना सर भितर
revenue also, I don't think.
रेव्हेन्यू काही आहे ना पंचायती काही इंटरव्ह्यू घेतलो नाही तो
Michael, when pollution control has made a strictures on this particular
They have made already.
yeah. So after that, pollution control has confirmed whether things are okay. They are
No, they had said.
They're neglected.
They had said, and they had see there is a order.
periodically
Suspend, close the operation of your unit located at plot number 114 Pilan Industrial Estate, Pilan, Goa, till such time as the following directives are complied with by your unit to the satisfaction of this board. These are all the directives. They have already given directives.
that is already 2
But
years
they complied म्हणून तेंका सांगले आधी. This is in 2010. So till 2013 they are not complying. Now all these factories which are here, they are not complying. You can see direct waste is being thrown in the gutter.
So pollution control has to be take strict action against them.
You write to the electricity department to disconnect the electricity first. You have the power under Public Health Act. Because this water is going directly in the village of Saipe. So no way our people can suffer because of these factories. You'll write for disconnection. I'm also writing to Goa State Pollution Control Board to take necessary action. Disconnection of water and electricity till they comply with the sewerage, raw sewerage, whatever they got.